to All Adventure Vlog TV.
Nice.
That is straight, huh?
Twisted.
Okay. This is the process for checking for straightening the camshaft. See, this is good camshaft, straight.
Bas wataba.
Yeah.
Wataba.
Yeah.
Diamond.
But it's straight, huh?
I wasted.
That is straight.
No,
Okay.
No bend.
No bend. That, okay.
Bas tap it. No go.
Okay, you make a turning.
गैस दिखाया.
Other here you put here. Okay.
Okay.
Another place for the bush. Same, huh?
Same. 3-4 division, no problem.
Okay.
So 3-4 the length at the bearing. 2 division play full steady. 2-3 division no problem. Straight.
But this one is good, huh? Straight, huh?
I straight, but tap it.
Okay.
Yeah, bas.
Okay.
Okay, khalas.
Okay, finish. Because the company of Dosan he did not believe. This is all cumshop, huh? Hello, this is the one of the machinist. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, huh? Thank you very much. Because I will send this video to the company of Dosan. Okay. Seat cutting machine, huh? This is for a seat cutting machine. Good morning.
Filipino, sir?
Pilipino, sir, Pilipino. Eh, kinukuhaan ko yung ano kasi may nabili akong cumshop bago. Eh, bindid. Baluktot. Kaya yung company ng ano sa Korea hindi maniwala na bindid yung ano nila. May factory defect yung cumshop nila.
Cumshop, cumshop.
Cumshop.
Cumshop lang.
Oo, ganyan, ganyan.